Okay, to create an SMS campaign, you're going to hit Create Campaign. You're going to hit SMS. You'll select the date, and then you'll continue. You would hit whatever recipient you'd like to send to. Make sure you always send to a segment, not a list. And then you'll hit Continue to Content. This screen will pull up. You'll type in whatever message you would like to put in. So let's say you want to push your new arrivals. Make sure you always have a link in here for them to go to or shop. So for now, we're just going to put in this link. Oops. We recommend always having a sign off. You can either send an SMS or an MMS. This would be an SMS, so it's under 160 characters, no GIF, no graphic, no emoji. If you'd like to add in a GIF, you can add in here. You would just hit this little picture. You would hit Upload Image, and you would put in whatever image that you would like, and it would click through there. That would turn it into an MMS. SMS is 1 credit, MMS is 3 credits. Once you are done with your text message, you'll hit Save. It'll pull up to the screen for you to send. You would scroll down. And whenever you're ready, you would hit Schedule and Send. Keep in mind the SMS windows for sending. We recommend sending no earlier than 9 a.m. CST and no later than 7 p.m. CST. Make sure you pay attention when you put on here how long it's going to tell you it's going to take to send. There's times that it'll tell you if you have a very big list, it'll take you up to 45 minutes to send. So if you're sending right at the cutoff time, I recommend sending that 45 minutes prior, just so you have the time so you're not breaking any laws or rules. You don't want to get fined. So make sure you're always paying attention to where it'll tell you how long it's going to send. Once you're ready, you'll just hit Schedule and it'll go out and you're good to go.